Hey, what's up, everybody? It's me, Rashad Dorsey. How y'all doing today? Hope y'all doing good. Today I'm gonna be showing y'all a film. So I'm gonna be showing y'all this video about Engine 14 and Ladder 2. You know, about these guys. You know, it's great. So I'm gonna show you guys this right away. So let me just show you guys this.
My name is probationary firefighter Jamil Shahir, and before I was a firefighter, I was an accountant.
My name is probationary firefighter Lappin. Before this, I was in the Coast Guard.
My name is Billy Ballard. I'm probationary firefighter.
He was in the Marine.
I was in the Marine 5 years before this.
Probationary firefighter Randy Ketchuk.
Randy Ketchuk, yeah. He was on 14 for years, but he's somewhere else. Ladder 2. Yeah, everybody, Ladder 2, as you guys know, Squad 2, that used to be at 14, but they removed that truck. They removed that truck over there and put it as a squad.
I tried to come back and do something around here.
When I was in 8th grade at St. Aug, my house actually caught a fire. I felt like I sort of had a bond with the firefighters, and they may have just been doing their job, but to me it seemed like they were going above and beyond.
After the storm, seeing what New Orleans went through, and I'm from New Orleans, I grew up in New Orleans, to be able to have a job like the fire department and get back to the city that really was short-handed now was a great opportunity for me to jump right on.
And after Katrina, I lost everything. My house, my small business, and I was like, I could do anything I want to do. And I said, I want to be a firefighter. And here I am.
Well, that was it. It was kind of a quick video, but that was it. That was Ladder 2 and Engine 14. That is the history of 14 and Ladder 2 together. Those two used to be Ladder 2. That was not really there at that time, but Ladder 2 used to be a Rescue 2. That was a ladder back in the 1891. Yeah, 1891, that ladder was there, and I think what it became maybe 2011 or 2014 or something. They had moved Ladder 2. They moved Ladder 2 from out of Rescue 2 quarters and moved to 14. I think for a few years Ladder 2 was over there. Then they removed Ladder 2 back to Rescue 2. Cause y'all guys, I know all y'all know that truck, and yeah, so yeah. Yeah, there go one of my videos. Ladder 9. Yeah, but yeah, that's it. Ladder 2 recently used to be at because that truck was never there first. It was really at our Rescue 2's quarters first. Rescue 2 used to be called the Flying Squad, but they renamed it into Rescue 2. So yeah. I'll see you guys tomorrow. And yeah. So see y'all guys later. We're getting a light. Getting a light. Alright. G57's out. See y'all later.